Hello everyone, welcome to Tkinter Hub. In the previous video we have complete introduction of this project. If you have not watched introduction video link will be available in description box. This videos series can be included in 8 parts of videos. In this first part of video, we will start to create this project. Here is basic code of Tkinter. Here I am creating a frame. Now I will resize frame, for make just like container. Using pack_propagate method, you can resize frame like container, simply passing false argument to pack_propagate method, you can set frame height and width. So let's set frame height and width. Here is nothing show anything, but frame is actually resized, we need to set color of frame. You can see frame resized. Now we will add around color border in frame. Highlight background option of frame will specify color of around border. This color we will use anywhere, so I will add this color in a variable. And also highlight thickness will specify size of around border. Now you can see around color border added. Here I am creating a label. Here we need to add \n for separate line. Now we will create these icons and buttons. For add icons, we will use some images, so let's load these images. All icons which we will use in this project. Icons download link will be available in description box. Here I am creating a button. Now let's add this icon. Notice here, icon should be placed in below of button, otherwise button will be overlap on icon. Now let's create other buttons and icons. And that's for this video. In the next part of video we will create student and admin login page, and also we will link these pages with each other. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.